Alright, today we're going to do problem 693, number 2, with my awesome group, Jamie, Dad Master, and Brianna. Okay, starting with A, but first let me read you the problem. Alright, the problem is Amanda was watching her little brother Mike play on a swing set. She decided that she would like to find the distance above the ground using a sine or cosine curve. She starts timing and finds that at t equals 2 seconds, Mike is at his highest point. He reaches his lowest point at exactly 1.5 seconds later. Amanda also records the highest Mike gets at 9 feet, while the lowest point occurs at 1 foot. Write an equation that will find Mike's height after t seconds. So to solve problem A, our group decided to start with a graph. And with the information already given to us, negative cosine was best fit for this situation. The high point was 9 feet at 2 seconds. And the low point was 1 foot at 0.5. Wait, do you hear my man's Brandon? The low point was at 0.5. You can undo that one. So using rules of symmetry, we completed our graph. So for problem A, the goal is to find Mike's height at 5.4 seconds. So we use our generic equation to put 5.4 seconds in for x. Now we need to solve. Now we need to solve for the other variables to find our equation. Braden's knocking out the problem here for us. How do we find the period again? Oh, yeah, stop recording.
Probably
She may have joined some people. So me Chance is supposed to be with them with Andrew.
Okay, so that's out.
Matthew?
Yeah, I couldn't find any of.
Yeah, me, Chance, and Andrew are all at the same hour.
Damn. We gotta get the camera back on too. Oh, we're recording shit. Hopefully we can edit this. It's still recording. Now Braden's gonna plug in all our variables into the equation. Close enough, right? This way we can find the height. After plugging this into our equation, we get our y value. Y value, yes, y value. Alright, so here's our final answer for y on part A, and we'll move to part B and get page 2. Alright, so part B is asking for us to find the first and second time that Mike reaches a height of 7.2 feet. So in part B, we're going to plug 7.2 in for y and solve for x to get an x value, and we'll work from there. Okay, so here I'll take you through how to solve for x on this. It's pretty difficult. Oh, whoops. That's a 5, not an 8.
I just do the process. So what does this look like? Oh, you don't actually. So I grab.
Don't forget the 5 right here that you subtract.
I already subtracted it over.
It still look like a 7.
That's that's a 2, not a 7.
It looks like a question mark.
It's hard to write on this thing. Alright, so that. Divided by 2 pi over 3 equals x minus 0.5.
You could do it that way. I would probably do the
Oh my god, that's terrible. -4 divided by 2 pi over 3 plus 0.5. Okay, so now on this one we're gonna plug this into our calculator with proper parentheses and then solve for x. So after plugging that in, x equals 1.52, and then based on our graph, we're going to use symmetry to, so if it went like this, from here, if this was 2, we're going to subtract 1.52 and add 1.52. And so the 1.52 is going to be, if it's here, it's going to be this point already, so we just need to find this one. So 1.52 and so
2 and 5.68.
now we did it wrong on there. So these two values are the values that we need to find in part B, and that's it.
All right, so that's problem 93 for you. There goes Bay looking cute.
Stop.